Strange engine noise in your Lexus GX? Here's what it means. Noticed an unusual sound coming from your Lexus GX 460? That's not something to brush off. Your engine often speaks through these noises before a real problem shows up. In this video, we'll quickly decode the most common engine sounds, what's behind them, and how serious they really are. Ticking sound, small noise, early signal. Let's start with a light ticking noise. You'll often hear this when the engine is idling or just after startup. In many cases, it's completely normal. Fuel injectors create a rhythmic ticking sound, but if it becomes louder or irregular, it may point to low engine oil or internal wear. A quick oil check can save you from bigger trouble later. Knocking noise. Don't ignore this one now. If the sound feels deeper like a knock or thud, that's a red flag. This usually happens when fuel isn't burning properly inside the engine. Poor fuel quality or carbon buildup can be the cause. In worse cases, it may indicate internal damage. If you hear knocking while accelerating, it's time to get it checked. No delays. Squealing noise. Belt issues incoming. A sharp squealing sound, especially when you start the car, is often linked to the serpentine belt. This belt keeps multiple components running smoothly. When it wears out or loosens, that high-pitched noise kicks in. The good part? It's a quick fix if you act early. Grinding sound. Immediate attention needed. Grinding noises are never a good sign. This could mean worn-out bearings or friction between metal components inside the engine. Ignoring this can lead to major engine failure. If you hear grinding, avoid driving long distances and get professional help right away. Hissing sound. Hidden leaks. A hissing noise might not sound serious, but it often points to a vacuum or coolant leak. This can reduce engine efficiency and even lead to overheating over time. Pop the hood and look for loose hoses or fluid leaks. It's worth the check. Every unusual sound in your Lexus GX 460 tells a story. Catching these signs early can save you time, money, and stress.